funny face.
I used to do this with my brother as a kid. What's up, boys? Today we're doing Try Not to Laugh. Are you guys ready? Let's see. Clock. Yeah, we got out somewhere and be like, I should stay.
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude?
I would have been sick. What the fuck?
We should do this. Can we do this? Can we do this? Can we do
Yes,
this?
you can. Yeah, I'm so down.
Service from Prime. Customers only. Yo, that's gonna be me if I started Prime.
Yo!
Bro, look at this goofy old phone.
Yo, that's some beef shit! Did you see how it stood on it? Shit. Yo, sneakerheads be like...
Literally.
Whoa, shit, he got smacked!
Oh!
Ow!
He gotta be dead.
Bro, he can't do shit about it! The mob boss dropped 200,000 and took this. Shit. What would you do if somebody did that? Like just smacked the 200 in your face? What would you do?
I think the way that I would be was that I'd do the exact same thing.
I'd throw them back at his face, but the bodyguard would kick your ass.
Oh shit!
Did you see all that smoke? Shit. Excuse me?
That's impatient driving.
See, when you can afford a car but not your brain.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Shit.
It don't matter, bro. You have too much rubber anyway. California breeze. Take off.
Shit.
I would cry.
I would kick his ass.
Go get it. Bro, well, you my bitch. Oh, shit.
I ain't shit, motherfucker.
You my bitch. Oh, shit.
Damn.
How the fuck did that happen?
What?
It was a
Like,
sinkhole.
seriously, if you just tell me who this is, I'm not gonna be upset.
Yours, I'm telling you. There's
If it's
no other
not mine. Hey, seriously, if you just tell me
This is
who this is, I'm not gonna be upset.
I'm telling you. There's
It's
no other
not mine. Hey,
Ask my wife to wash my car, and I get this video sent to me at work.
No. Oh my god. Why?
Bro, that girlfriend ain't getting that boyfriend back.
Ain't getting
Wife to
shit
wash my
back.
car.
My first day as an engineer and my last
Ahí
day.
vamos, conforme a los planos. Todo marcha bien al parecer.
I mean, mission accomplished.
Bro,
Yeah, when you're broke as
what is
fuck.
that? Is that a shower? No.
Yeah, and if you want it to be more, just unscrew it and be like, then when you want it, let's just screw it back on. Oh, that would have been a hot guy.
Well, that used to be me. Remember? That was so bad.
So I put you 12 feet under. Let's fucking go.
Hey.
Oh,
Oh shit! Man's got moves on him!
boxers when they're alone in the room.
Just at home.
How to
Yeah,
turn
well,
out a
yeah.
Middle Eastern man.
You want me to send you a video of me doing what? What? Are you serious?
Seriously?
Nope.
Like,
Ailing generation's trauma by making sure he actually gets cookies.
See?
Imagine. She just disappeared.
I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting.
Yo!
Where the fuck did she go, bro?
Yo, Brody, you dropped a girl. I'm not sure if you noticed.
Yo, I think you lost something there.
Bro traded his kid for a milkshake. Gets returned for milkshakes of her.
You're not
He didn't
treating
know
her.
what to do.
Oh my god! The poor
I got a
horse!
slightly modified
What
Geo
the
Metro.
That's a one rider.
This thing's got 3 speeds.
3 speeds.
Here, there, and gone. It's got the power of infinity and beyond. I got a
Beat nuts.
Yo, what the fuck is going on?
We go.
Hey. I think bro wanted his ice cream. Oh yeah, that's right, motherfucker.
Okay.
Welcome to Salad Island. No, not the ice cream machine not working. And you go to McDonald's and they say it's not working.
And then I fucking turn around and giggle. I hit the.
Why? Why? This is why you don't tell them not to fucking. Don't tell them the machine's broken when it's not. I feel so bad. They're trying so hard to push.
Oh wait. Oh my god.
I mean, this ain't the chicken noodle soup that I want, but I'll take it. Soup with
This
a
is
light action
Ratatouille too.
ratatouille versus stew a little.
Bro, I'd watch
this ain't-
that.
Man got a boy.
I'll cry immediately. Oh, that got me sad.
What? Holy fuck!
Took her what?
He took like a handful of her food and ran. 2 minutes of silence for this guy. Okay, he playing with these.
Alright. Give me your worst. Roast beef.
No, amigo.
Oh, the water. Oh, bleach in my face.
I used to do this with my brother as a kid.
Why? It's fun.
Oh, one guy you always can't trust. Oh shit, did you see how much he's taking? Yo, he's eating with his forehead. Look at him, look at how he's eating.
Down.
Shit. Oh
I
my
would love
god.
that job.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna see a Chinese guy breaking a metal with his feet. You guys ready? Shit.
Is his foot gonna break?
Are you scared? Well, that's gonna be all. See you guys next time. Vlog.